Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you exactly how to create multiple wallets within TrustWallet. In my previous video, I covered this exact same process, but I was using MetaMask, but I do know that a lot of people don't like MetaMask, so let's go ahead and cover the process of creating those multiple wallets using TrustWallet. As you can see, I do not have any wallets in my TrustWallet account. I've deleted everything so I can show you step by step how to get this done. The very first thing you want to do is tap on Create a New Wallet. From here, we are going to select all three of these, saying that we are willing to write down the following screen's seed phrases. And after we've written down those seed phrases, it's going to test us and say, hey, please put them in the correct order so we do know that you wrote them down. Now, before I tap continue, I want to drill this point in. Do not take a screenshot of the following screen. Do not take a picture of it. Do not save these seed phrases anywhere online, because if you do, you are vulnerable for getting hacked. The best advice I can give you is that once you see the very next screen with all of the seed phrases, that you write them down on a piece of paper, because that is the best way to keep them offline and safe from hackers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Here you can see these 12 words. I have written these down in my own private little notebook. It's called a Stonebook. It's made of stone, it's tear-proof, it's waterproof, and I'll put a link for you down below if you want to check it out. But once you have these all written down, again, do not take a screenshot, do not take a picture or anything like that. Do not save these in a password manager. If these get out, if these words are leaked somewhere online, you can say goodbye to all of your money. So always make sure to keep these secure. Once you have them written down, tap continue. Then you have to select the words in the order that they were on the previous screen. So let's go ahead and do that now. And once it's done, just like that, tap continue. And there you go, our wallet was successfully created. Now that we have our wallet created, if you wanted to go in and create another wallet, simply tap on settings, then tap on wallets at the very top, and then we're going to tap on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner. Here, we can either create a new wallet or say that we already have a wallet. Now, we already do have a wallet, but the only reason that you would tap on I already have a wallet is if you had a wallet from, let's say, a previous phone where you had seed phrases, you sent some money to that wallet, and now you want to import that wallet into this phone. That is the only reason why you would tap that button. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to create a new wallet. So we'll tap that top button. Next, I'm going to select all three of these fields, saying that I will write down my seed phrases, the ones that I get on the next screen. Tap continue. And after I've written down these 12 seed phrases, I'm going to tap on continue. And then I'm going to select the words in the order that they were on the previous page. Just like that. Tap continue, and our wallet has been successfully created. You can do this as many times as you want. I don't think that there is a limit to the number of wallets you can create in TrustWallet, but it's literally that simple. But let's say you started sending money to one of these accounts, and then all of a sudden you went back into your wallets up at the top here under the settings tab, and you accidentally went like this, and you deleted one. And then you accidentally deleted the second one. And you're like, wait, I had $5,000 in there. Where did my money go? Well, if you were smart and you wrote down your seed phrases, those are the way that you will get your money back. And I'll show you that right now. So in this video, you've seen me create two different TrustWallet wallets. Instead of clicking on or tapping on the Create a New Wallet button, I'm going to tap on I already have a wallet, because technically I already have two. So I'm going to tap on I already have a wallet, and it is a multi-coin wallet. And from here, I am going to type in the seed phrase for that wallet. You should have written down the seed phrase, just like I've got right here. If you did not write down your seed phrase, I am sorry, you're out of luck. I tried to give you a good warning, but just know that the seed phrases are the way to get your money back. Go ahead, once you've typed in the seed phrases, tap the import button, and there you go. Your wallet was successfully imported. If you had money here, it would show up here, but I didn't have any money, so there's nothing for me to actually show you here. I could do the exact same thing by importing the other wallet. So I would tap Settings, Wallets, the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, tap I already have a wallet, tap Multi-Coin Wallet, and then I'm going to type in my seed phrases. You can see that I am pasting in my seed phrases here, and that's because I am going to delete these wallets so they don't exist anymore, but it's just for demonstration purposes. If I was doing this for my own wallet, I would never share my seed phrases with you, no matter how much you begged and pleaded with me. So you type in your seed phrases and you tap the import button, and then you can see that it was successfully imported. So if we go back to our settings tab and tap on wallets, we now have those two main wallet accounts. It's really that simple. If you wanted to rename your wallets, let's say you didn't want it to say main wallet and main wallet 1, tap the I next to the wallet name, and then right up at the top, you could select whatever you want, rename it, and then press save. And then you can do the same for here. You could say you want this one to say main wallet. There you go. And it's just that simple. In the following videos, I will be showing you how to send money from Binance or from Coinbase or from another exchange into both MetaMask and TrustWallet. So you're going to want to stick around for those, but I just wanted to show you exactly how to create multiple wallets inside of TrustWallet so you could get started today, getting one step closer to investing in DRIP and starting to earn those massive 1% daily returns on your deposits. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.